Let's start session with cat and cow pose. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Hold the breaths here. Let's go normal. Inhale and exhale. Right, hold the breath. Let's go to the tabletop now. Bring the right hand up and then slowly insert through left hand. Put the shoulders on the ground and the left hand will go up. Let's bring the left hand up and slowly down to the ground. Bring the right hand up and to the ground. Let's do the same thing with the left hand. Left hand up, left hand down. Touch the shoulders to the ground. Slowly bring the right hand up. And if you want to keep on the back side, you can keep it on the back side. Slowly bring the right hand up and to the ground. Bring the left hand up and to the ground. Good. Let's go to the downward facing dog. Then slowly bring your right leg up. Bring the right leg between the hands. Left knee down. Flatten your toes and slowly come up. Now turn to your left side with the hands stretched parallel. Then you can slowly bend backward if you can. Good. Let's go back to the position. Hands over the head now. And slowly come down. Lift your left leg knee and tuck your toes. Bring your right leg up and slowly down. Perfect. Good. Let's bring the left leg up now. Bring the left leg between the hands. Right knee down and flatten the toes as well. Let's bring the hands over the head. If you can, bend backward. Bring the hands to the shoulder levels and turn to your right side. Slowly bend back if you can. Very good stretch for thigh muscles. Okay, let's go back. Hands over the head. Slowly come down. Lift the knee up and then slowly bring the left leg up. Slowly bring down and let's go to the tabletop. If you can take breaths here. You can take a relax or go to the child pose. Now we'll go to the mountain pose. Right leg up, right leg between the hands. Let's bring the body up in the warrior one pose. Let's go to the warrior two. Look towards the right hand middle finger. Reverse warrior. Warrior two. Good. Let's go to the warrior one. Let's go down. Or you can straight your right knee. Bring the hands backward direction and try to touch the chin to the knee. Slowly come down. Yeah, try to touch it. Let's go back. Bend your knees. Let's go to the warrior one. Namaste. Yeah. Now you can straight your legs and let's turn your left leg, bend your, sorry, yeah, bend your left leg, bring the hands over the head in warrior 1. Let's go to the warrior 2. Look towards your left hand finger, reverse warrior, warrior 2. Let's go to the warrior 1 now. Perfect. Straight your knees, bring the hands back direction, hold it together and try to bend forward. Try to touch chin to knee if you can. If it is not touching, that's totally fine. Straight your knee, hands over the head, bend the right knee and slowly go down. Bring your left leg up, left leg down and go to the child pose. Take a few breaths here. Let's go to the tabletop. Let's go to the mountain pose now and jump forward and sit. Bring straight your legs. Right leg touching to the left thigh. Hands over the head. Left hand back. Right hand touches left side of your toes. Look back. Very good stretch for spine. Bring the hands back. Now bring the left hand down, right hand down. By both the hands, hold the toes. Both the hands up. Straight your right leg and bend your left leg. Now, with the left hand, touch the right leg toes. Look backward, back side. That's good. Bring the left hand and right hand both over the head. Now hold the right leg by both the hands in cross manner and look forward. That's good. Slowly bring both the hands over the head. Straight both the legs. Now the hands pointing backward and slowly lift your body up. Make sure your neck and the spine in a straight line. Slowly come back. Let's do one more time. Yeah. Hold the hands, slowly bring body up. Point your fingers forward. Slowly come down. Let's do one more time. Hold the hands firmly. Lift body up. Point the toes forward. Slowly come up. Both the hands over the head. Okay. Now bring your right leg back the way I folded. And then slowly bend forward. You can touch the knee or you can hold the toes. Hands over the head. Now we can bring both the hands back, and now this time we are going to bring your left leg back in bended position. Hands over the head. Try to touch the knee or your right leg toes. Hold this position. Hands over the head. Bring the both the hands back and straight both the legs. Good. Now, bend your knees and slowly bring the legs close to your buttock area and slowly lie down on your back. Now we are going to do some of the yoga poses which you can do lying down on your back. Now let's bring both the legs close together. Hold the legs by hand at ankle area and lift the body up. It's called bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Down. Let's bring one more time. Let's bring the body up. Nice and straight. Yeah, good. Slowly come down. Let's bring up. Perfect. If you can't hold the ankles, then just hold both the hands together and hold it. Yeah, good. Now straight your right leg and then lift the body up. It is just variation of bridge pose. Let's do the same thing with left leg. Straight your left leg, lift the body up. Slowly down. Now left leg on right knee. Hold the leg and try to push your leg towards your chest. Good. Let's do the same thing on the other leg. Right leg on left knee and hold your left leg and try to pull the left leg towards your chest. Good. Straight your legs now. Bring the right leg up, then left leg up and down. Right leg up, left leg up. Just one more time. Right leg up and left leg up. Now bring both the legs up and hold at the lower back. If you can, slowly bring both the legs down toward the head area. Slowly, if you can. Good. If it's hurting at the back, then don't continue. Just go back to your relaxing position. But if you can, slowly bring the leg and try to touch the ground. Good. Very nice. Hold the lower back. Slowly down. One leg. You can do this practice as well. Instead of both the legs, you can do one leg at a time. And try to touch the ground. Right leg down and then left leg. You can do this practice as well. Like you can try with one leg at a time and then bring both the legs. Bend your legs at knee. Try to touch to chest and slowly come down. Now you can relax in Shavasana. Imagine your whole body is relaxing. Your legs are relaxing. Your hands are relaxing.